Billy ran around the town, grew up in. And there was always to blame when there was something happening. He was using every once and then he'd chase the other kids till they cried. But they were free, good guardian angels spending session night. What they wanted to win was a Jack Nerwellian and never let go. Random scandal got me, random scandal got me, random scandal see me, random scandal got me, random scandal see me, random scandal got me and he's got a new gun. Random scandal, random scandal, random scandal, random scandal, random scandal, random scandal got me and he's got a new gun. Billy Randall's gun was cut from older wood. He showed you down to everyone and said the rule the neighborhood. Billy started on his can and trying to push him to the floor. Since he was surrounded by his mom, he wasn't seen here anymore. Well, they won't do it, he was a dark Randy and it never let home. Random scandal got me, random scandal got me, random scandal saved me, random scandal got me, random scandal saved me, random scandal got me and it's got a new guy.
N'aie pas peur d'être celle qui fait des étincelles, étincelle qui t'a déçu. Sans elle tu seras la plus belle. Moi je roule sans gêne, j'égrène des graines de mots autour du cou. À mon tour de taille je tourne la tête à tous ceux qui s'en mêlent. Belle comme état, même si Peggy n'est plus là, elle a Nina, tout comme moi. Je ne veux pas être une madone qu'on enferme dans l'oubli. Je veux qu'on me chante comme fredonne jusqu'à l'insomnie. Ils seront tous à mes pieds, la tête tour à tournoyer. Je veux pas qu'on m'enterre sur terre. Avec mes étoiles, j'espère. Belle